guys, welcome back to my channel. So I uploaded that video like 10 seconds ago. So I'm gonna upload a new video right here and right now. So today guys, we are going to talk about planets. Okay? So what do you know about planets? Oh, I know planets. Saturn has rings. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system, and our sun. Yeah, our sun will explode in 1 billion years. I mean 4.5 billion years, but that's okay because that is too long. And then, did you know there is some planets that has larger rings than Saturn, but I don't know the name up. So we're just going to move on with the easy ones. So do you know the Big Rip? The Big Rip is when the universe ends. It starts up with galaxies and smaller objects now. But the Big Bang is how the universe started. So yeah, the universe is just pure black when the Big Rip has arrived. Okay, that's it for today, and bye.